Hi students, good afternoon. You can write present in the chat box. ठीक है, तो डायरेक्टली आई स्टार्ट विद द सेशन. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. थर्ड मॉड्यूल में आई विल बी फिनिशिंग दिस the research for the new venture. Okay, whenever you are starting a company, new company, for that, what kind of steps are there in the research, and then in the next class, I'll start with, or I'll complete with the forms of organization. Okay, sole proprietorship, what is that? Partnership, what's that? Then joint stock companies क्या है, cooperatives क्या है, then limited liability partnership क्या है. You will be using it in the those who will be taking finance. This part will be helpful for them for the third or fourth semester subjects also. ठीक है, तो आज I'll complete this marketing venture of a marketing research for a new venture. Fine. Okay, I don't remember I have taught you this slide as well, so I'm just going through as it is a continuation. Okay, first of all, when a new venture means a new business. Okay, why it is called venture? Because it is starting, and it's like we are sowing a seed, and we are waiting for the plant to grow. Okay, एकदम ही new start हो रहा है. So it will be a new venture. This new venture can be a new company also, or a existing company is starting with is expanding, or it is diversifying into a new business. Okay, there is a company which is manufacturing shoes, and then that company is going and starting its business starting its business for the sports wear as well. ठीक है, स्पोर्ट्स शूज बना रहे थे पहले, ओनली स्पोर्ट्स शूज बिजनेस था. देन sports uniforms and sports jerseys, they if they are started making, that is also a new venture in that sense. Or else a totally new company, कुछ भी नहीं है, just you're starting. So before you start that, you need to do a marketing research in research methodology which you are studying. So in research methodology, you are studying many things after you launch, after you are doing a research for the failure or for the success or for starting new thing, or after you have launched your product, it is there in the market. Still you want to increase the sales, then you are doing a research how to increase the sales, or if the customer is satisfied with the product or not, you are finding out using that. Or a general research why your products are selling like that. Okay, sometimes you have expected that sales hoga 10,000, maybe 10,000 products will be sold in 1 week, but suddenly there is a demand of 50,000 products for 1 week. Then also you need to do a research why this success happened. ठीक है, न्यू वेंचर में कैसे होगा? बिफोर यू स्टार्ट एनीथिंग, you need to define the objectives, gather the secondary data from the secondary sources, from the internet and the other published sources from the government websites or Ministry of Corporate Affairs or Indian Statistical Organization, ऐसे सब भी है. Then if you are doing anything related to banking, then RBI websites are there. If it is in the international market or something like that, then you need to check the IMF website, International Monetary Fund websites, or World Bank website, and then the Exim website, the trade if you're doing. तो ये सब already जो published data है, ठीक है, that is the second. So already published data जो है, that is the secondary sources. So first is from the secondary sources, and then gathering information from the primary sources, you are going into deep. Okay, you are not relying on the secondary sources which are there. Okay, you are going into deep for collecting the primary sources. Okay, you are individually going and asking people, you're taking their interviews, or you're observing people. Then finally, after all the data is collected, then you analyze and interpret the results. For analysis and interpretation, you will take all the data, put it in the Excel or in any sort of tool similar to that, and then you will do the analysis. you can use the correlation, regression, or ठीक है, mean, standard deviation, all the your statistics terminologies over there while interpreting the results to find out. ठीक है, your statistics or your operation research also. If you are doing any transportation thing in your बिजनेस, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कुछ जा रहा है या फिर कुछ हो रहा है, देन यू आर मेकिंग लॉसेस बिकॉज ये नहीं हो रहा है, वो नहीं हो रहा है, ओके, समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है, देन यू आर इंटरप्रेटिंग द रिजल्ट्स. ओके, फर्स्ट थिंग इज डिफाइन योर ऑब्जेक्टिव. तो 3 क्वेश्चंस हैं. हु विल बी योर पोटेंशियल कस्टमर्स, वेयर दे विल गो टू बाय द प्रोडक्ट, एंड हाउ दे विल हियर. बेसिकली ये 4 पीस में से 3 पीस का आंसर हो गया. ओके, and so what is your basically your product, what is the price of the product, where the customer will find your product, whether it is online available or in the customer needs to go to the store, or and what is the expectation about the customers from your product. तो ये हम लोग का ऑब्जेक्टिव है. इफ आई एम लॉन्चिंग इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक, okay, now Ola is coming up with EV, ठीक है, maybe from 15th August they'll be rolling out the first batch. So Ola Electric is coming. So before Ola has started manufacturing the bikes, it is also a new venture. Ola going into electric bikes is also a new venture for Ola, because Ola was totally into different business. Okay, so before they were planning to make a bike and launch it, so they have done a huge research before that. So the first part of the research is objective, कि हम लोग का है क्या objective. So one of the things which I'm just searching about it, so I can answer these 3 questions of Ola Electric. जैसे कि what should be the price of the product? They have asked the customer what you desire, what should be the average price. So depending upon the competitors' pricing, Ola have come up with 90,000 to 1,20,000, 1,30,000 के range में you will get the bikes. Where would the potential customers prefer to purchase the product? इसका आंसर क्या है? The Ola bikes will be sending you the bikes to your home. So it is a kind of a home delivery of the bike. Okay, because Ola will not have any showrooms, okay, as of now, but you can book it online and they will be sending the bike to your home. Okay, and where would the customer expect to hear about or learn about such a product? They are doing huge advertisements. If you search Ola in your Google, you will study this in digital marketing. But if you search in Google about Ola, then you will find it on your Instagram as well, on your Facebook as well, and whichever sites you are going. ठीक है, या Ola advertisement will be coming, or electric vehicle advertisements will be coming, or you just go in the Google tab, in the advertisements below or the news below which will come, you will get news about electric vehicles and about Ola electric vehicles and other electric vehicles as well. Okay, so this is how you will reach your customer. So ये उनका प्लानिंग हो गया. देन गैदरिंग डेटा फ्रॉम द सेकेंडरी सोर्सेज. देयर आर मेनी वे. गवर्नमेंट वेबसाइट्स है, स्टेट डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कॉमर्स है, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट अफेयर्स है, आरबीआई है, आईएमएफ है, वर्ल्ड बैंक है, इंडियन स्टैटिस्टिक्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, सेंट्रल स्टैटिस्टिक्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, ठीक है, एक्जिम है. देन देयर आर मेनी सच थिंग्स where when you are going, like when you were mock board meeting event which you did, so you have been given one task, one company to find out one issue. So you were searching कि कहाँ से मिलेगा. Someone किसी को टेस्ला मिला था, so they started reading about cars and how the Tesla company works. Some had got Dettol, so there was sanitizers they were making about Dettols. So how to improve the this क्या बोलते हैं सैनिटाइजर्स का सेल, हाउ टू मेंटेन इट. सो दे वर कलेक्टिंग, यू आर ऑल कलेक्टिंग डेटा फ्रॉम द इंटरनेट. सो दैट इज व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. सेकेंडरी सोर्सेस से यू आर कलेक्टिंग द डेटा. देन आफ्टर यू कलेक्ट द सेकेंडरी सोर्सेस से, देन यू गो टू द प्राइमरी सोर्सेस. सो यू कैन ऑब्जर्व, you can do a networking, इसको पूछा, उसको पूछा, इसको पूछा, इसने उसका बताया, ऐसे something like that. Or you go on with the interviewing process. You will have a set of questions you will be asking that the person, or you will do a focus group. You will create a group of of people who knows about it, and you will discuss among yourselves and you will get ideas. So that can be done using various methods like telephonic, mail, personal, or internet, all these methods. So telephonic interview can be there. Okay, nowadays when placements are happening, telephonic interview is the first round. if Skype or Zoom call is not there, so telephonic interview will be the basic round. So to check whether you can speak or not, basic basic things. Okay, what's your name? What you are doing? What are your hobbies? Just a small 2 minute interview or 3 minute interview will be there on telephonic. Okay, so that is the simplest one, easy one. Phone कर दिया, data collect कर दिया, easy one. But the response is very good. It is time consuming because for every one person you need to dedicate few minutes. So it is time consuming, but you will definitely get a response. Next one in the methods. Next one in the method is mail. Mail, you can send it to 10,000 people at a stretch. Okay, but the response that the person will see the mail, they will reply the mail. वो बहुत उसका what do you say? The response of it is just maybe 1 or 2%. उतना ही. If you are sending 10,000 mails, maybe less than 100 people will respond to that mail. Okay, many will be seeing it, many will be deleting it, but the response is very less in mail. In telephone you will definitely get a response, okay, whether no or yes easily. Okay, but mail pata nahi, I guess I have not seen it, or by mistake I have deleted, so it is no guarantee for it, but you can send it to many people. Personal, you need to go and meet, so that is more time consuming than telephonic, but you need to take an appointment, but the response of this is very good. And internet, you can just search, chat with anyone. Okay, go to their Facebook, ask something. If you are following someone in Instagram, you can ask. So you can have a chatting using internet. Okay, this is not searching the websites. Internet doesn't mean searching the website, because this is a primary source. Primary source means you are interacting with the person. So internet means you are using different social media platforms to interact with the person. So that is how you will collect the primary sources. ठीक है. So when after second semester, when you will be doing organization study, okay, you are not going to research basically, but you will be gathering data. So if you are gathering data from the company website or from the journals of the magazines of the companies, then that will be a secondary source. And if you are interacting with the people over there, then it will be a primary source, collection of data. Then finally you will analyze and interpret the results. ठीक है. अभी इतना सारा डेटा कलेक्ट किया है, यू शुड मेक अ मीनिंगफुल मीनिंग आउट ऑफ इट. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल योर क्वेश्चन says that you are doing a survey about maybe ice creams, okay, on Magnum ice creams. Okay, then you are doing a survey why people like Magnum ice creams. Okay, and there are 4 responses for that, because of the brand name, because of the taste, because of the other things are there. Okay, when you are collecting the responses, primary sources है, ठीक है, इंटरव्यू या फिर फॉर्म उनको दिया है फिल करने के लिए. Then you are collecting the information. You have collected maybe 500 such information. Then you need to make sense of it. Okay, how many people have said they like the brand, because of that they are buying ice cream? How many people have said because they like the taste they are buying the ice cream? उसका कुछ तो meaningful result आना चाहिए, so that I can take any decision on that. Okay. When Ola was launching electric bikes, they had asked customers what the speed you desire for that electric bikes. Okay, how much you desire, या फिर what is the how many kilometers should it go when you are charging it once and full हो गया battery, then how many kilometers do you desire, कि कितना चलना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो कस्टमर के माइंड में सबको चाहिए मैक्सिमम चलना चाहिए, बट व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम? आई नीड अ नंबर. सो फॉर गेटिंग दैट नंबर, ओला हैड आस्क्ड इटसेल्फ. सो दिस इज आल्सो काइंड ऑफ अ मार्केटिंग एज वेल, कि हम लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि क्या चाहिए. तो द पर्सन विल कम टू नो कि ओके, देयर इज अ थिंग व्हिच ओला इज कमिंग अप विद एन इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक, एंड वी आर एंड द company is asking the person. If the person is replying, that means at least he has seen it, he has read it, he has understood the advertisement. Okay, advertisement के साथ साथ we are also getting a response. So that is a cool thing of advertisement which the Ola Electric has done. So same way, when they get the information, they will use that information, put it in the Excel, do some statistics out of it, कुछ ना कुछ करेंगे, and then they'll come to know, okay ठीक है, हम लोग को क्या करना चाहिए basically. Okay, so when fine tuning of results can provide valuable insights, particularly regarding the segmentation of the market. इसमें कैसा है? Then Ola Electric, for who were the respondents, what were their age groups, So who will be using more our scooters? That will come to know. So it will be helpful when we are doing the segmentation of the market. Okay, so when we are doing the segmentation of the market, then we'll come to know from which region or from which area the demand will be more, and so depending upon that, they are planning to install the charging stations. Okay, because electric है, you can charge it in home as well. But if there are charging stations, okay, then it will be very easy because in cities you cannot take the vehicle to your home, right? If you're staying in a flat, if it is on the fifth or sixth floor पे flat hai, then you cannot take your vehicle over there. Yeah, and you cannot charge it in the normal building के charger, building का जो electricity है, you cannot charge over there because ठीक है उसका भी bill आएगा separately, so it will be difficult for you to charge. uh, so they will be setting up charging stations throughout country. Okay, as far as I know, around 4,000 or 400 cities they are setting up some charging stations. Okay, now presently it is somewhere around 100 cities, but they have planned to install it into 400 cities or 1 lakh charging stations in 1 year or something like that. They are doing it. Okay, because why they can plan in such a way, because they have done a research, analyzed it, and interpreted that. Analyzing is there are two different terminologies. Analyzing is whatever information you have got, you are analyzing it in such a way कि हाँ ये इसके वजह से Magnum ice cream, okay, these many people eat because of brand name, buy Magnum ice cream because of brand name, these many people buy because of taste. That is my analysis. What is my interpretation, why and what to do after that? ठीक है, ये पता I got to know कि okay, these many people are buying Magnum ice cream because of this reason and because of this reason. Many people are buying Ola are planning to buy Ola Electric because of 2 3 reasons. ठीक है, that is my analysis. What I am interpreting from that, मेरा क्या दिमाग लगा कि what next step I'll be doing, that is my interpretation कि ये ऐसे क्यों आया या फिर ऐसा क्यों ये आया ऐसे, so what I need to do next. That is my interpretation. Okay, if there is a company which I'm analyzing, I'm doing a ratio analysis of a company, and the current ratio is slowly decreasing of that company. Okay, so that is my analysis. Okay, according to the graph, I can see the current ratio is decreasing. That is my analysis. I'm interpreting that, okay, because of the increase in the current assets, increase in the current liabilities, my current ratio is decreasing. That is my interpretation. मेरे ख्याल से current liabilities are increasing. That's the reason current ratio is decreasing. That is my interpretation. Analysis is it is decreasing. Why it is decreasing? Then I'm thinking about it. Okay, maybe because of more buying of some things, so liabilities have been increased, or we are not able to pay to our creditors, so our creditors are increasing, so that's the reason our current liabilities is increasing, so that's the reason current ratio is decreasing. तो ये सब है ना, ये interpretation में आ गया. Yeah, sorry. ठीक है, तो whenever you are starting a new venture, you go through these 4 steps. Small. ठीक है, ये है ना, this all these steps you can do when you're finding a job as well. Okay, it is a new job, so you can consider as a new venture. So when you want to start a job, find a job basically. तो फर्स्ट यू विल डू, इधर जाते हैं हम फर्स्ट जॉब के रिलेटेड मैं बता देता हूँ हाउ यू विल यूज इट इन योर नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर नेक्स्ट ईयर मे बी. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिफाइनिंग द पर्पस और ऑब्जेक्टिव. What is your objective, in which field you are going to do finance, marketing or HR? That is the first step. Then after that, in chalo finance नहीं बोलता, in HR what you want to do, where you want to go, okay, what you are good at and what you want to do in HR. Okay, so that will be defining your objective, what you want to learn, where you like, okay, in the HR field. Okay, that is defining your objective. Then you are gathering data from the secondary sources, which are the companies which are there who are good for HR people. Okay, so there might be jobs for recruitment and selection, recruitment के लिए या फिर exiting formalities के लिए कुछ रहेगा, या फिर recruitment के लिए रहेगा, then training के लिए रहेगा, then what do you say, selection के लिए रहेगा. There might be different openings for different for different companies. Okay, then you are collecting the data from the secondary sources. Where you what are your sources? Your Naukri.com, your Monster.com, different websites. Using that Glassdoors, you will be searching the data from there. What kind of interviews are asked in this company? Okay, what are the different rounds, aptitude test, ये वो सब, what kind of interviews, what kind of questions, ये सब data you are collecting from the secondary sources. Then from the primary sources, you are asking the known people, uh, interacting with them. Then you will analyze and interpret, okay, which are the companies I can shortlist and I can apply. And for application, what they desire actually, उनको क्या चाहिए, कैसा सीवी होना चाहिए, क्या होना चाहिए. तो based on the information which I have collected, based on the interview questions they will be asking, so I'll make a CV in such a way that it should impress the company people where I'm applying. ठीक है. एक ये भी एक मिस्टेक होता है. Well, I have also done that same mistake. One CV for every company. वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, there should be some minor modifications in your CV depending upon the job you are applying or the company you are applying. ठीक है. एक ही सीवी हर जॉब में, फाइनेंस में भी वही सीवी सेंड कर रहे हैं, मार्केटिंग में भी इधर भी ऐसे करते हैं. तो एक कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो वन सीवी दे हैव मेड, दे हैव नॉट अपडेटेड आल्सो, तो बट दे विल कीप ऑन सेंडिंग दैट सीवी एंड मेनी अ टाइम्स शॉर्टलिस्ट नहीं होता इसलिए. और शॉर्टलिस्ट हो भी गया, देन ऑन द इंटरनेट, ऑन द इंटरव्यू टेबल they'll be they'll be caught कि हाँ ये तो पुराना सीवी है, they have not updated, or this doesn't match with our company requirements or the job specification. नहीं होता है. तो when you collect the data, when चलो अगर CV नहीं भी है, when company is coming, you are reading the company, you are gathering secondary sources so that it will be helpful in your interview process also. So in any way, ठीक है, ये 4 steps है. Then the last thing for today's session is about forms of organization. In detail, I'll do it in the next class itself. But sole proprietorship. Okay, I don't know how deep this needs to be taught. Okay, but I'm only brushing it up as internal C है. ठीक है. तो sole proprietorship. Just give me 5 minutes for this. Sole proprietorship क्या है? The person alone, he'll be managing the business, he'll be having employees, he'll be recruiting the employees, but he is the only owner of that company. Sole proprietorship. Okay, along with sole proprietorship, I don't know why they have not added, there is also called as, according to Companies Act 2013, you don't have exactly that, but I'm teaching from the past few years, so OPC karke also is there. Okay, in sole proprietorship, it is a proprietor. ठीक है, एक बिजनेसमैन है. ओके, ही हैज नॉट रजिस्टर्ड द कंपनी. ओके, उसका कोई कंपनी नहीं है. ठीक है, सोल प्रोप्राइटर वैसा. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू 2013 कंपनीज एक्ट, ओपीसी करके आया वन पर्सन कंपनी, और ऐसा भी बोलता है वन मैन कंपनी. ओके, मैन इम्प्लाइज वुमेन एज वेल. ठीक है, वन पर्सन कंपनी और वन मैन कंपनी, दैट मीन्स ही कैन सेट अप अ कंपनी बना सकता है वो, बट ही विल बी द ओनली ओनर ऑफ दैट company. Okay, and he will appoint a nominee. So after him, that nominee will continue the business, or if something happens to him, the nominee will take care of the business. Okay, of the company. In sole proprietorship, it will not happen like that. Okay, I need to explain you what is the difference between company and the other things, yeah, partnership, yeah, cooperatives. Okay, but as of that, I'll do it in the next class. But as of now, company is, just remember, company is a separate from the person. Okay, companies have a separate entity, and the person is having a separate entity in the terms of, at least in the accounting terms. Okay, in the legal terms, many a times the company and the owner are considered same. Okay, but in the accounting terminology, companies are different and the person is different. So you might have studied in the first semester accounting subjects, and maybe in the first module, about the going concern concept. So going concern concept में भी ऐसे ही था. So company will be there, it will be going throughout, it doesn't have any life. Okay, but the people will be coming in and going in. Same way, the owners also will be changing of that company. So sole proprietorship में वो owner कैसे होगा पता नहीं, but in one person company, it will be a company itself. तो nominee जो रहेगा, he will take over the company. Similar goes for the partnership. In partnership, more than 2 partners will be there. Okay, more than 2 people will be there. So they will form a partnership, and there will be a partnership deed in which some of the partners will be active partners, all of them working together. उसमें से कुछ sleeping partners भी होंगे. They will not actively involved, but they have given the name. Okay, whenever signature is required, they'll be coming, they'll be visiting here and there, but they'll not be actively involved uh, in the business. Okay, and there'll be different kinds of partnerships. Partnerships are also there. I'll do it. Wait, next class. Then limited liability partnership. Limited liability partnership is actually a combination of this. Oh, sorry. Joint stock company and partnership. Okay, company, as I was telling, it is different from a person, and company is a different thing. But partnership, mein, the partnership of two or three people are there. The partnership firm will be considered, and partners are considered one and the same person. Okay, if anything one partner does wrong, it will be liable for all the partners. If one partner has taken loan in the name of partnership firm, then all the partners are liable for it. अगर वो pay नहीं कर पाया firm, then the partners के खुद के pocket से निकाल के they have to pay the loan. But it doesn't happen like that in a company. If the managing director of the company has taken loan for the company and he retires and he goes, then we cannot ask him to pay the money. The company is liable to pay the loan back. But partnership में या फिर sole proprietorship में doesn't happen. But in company it happens. OPC भी हो गया या joint stock company हो गया, it happens like that. So limited partnership, liability partnership में the partners have limited liability. They don't have the total liability like in partnership. ठीक है. So but it is not a company as well. कंपनी भी नहीं है, पार्टनरशिप भी नहीं है, उसके बीच में आता है. इन पार्टनरशिप फर्म जैसे आई कैन नॉट लिस्ट द पार्टनरशिप फर्म ऑन द स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, बट कंपनी को वी कैन लिस्ट ऑन द स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. ऑल्सो एलएलपी को भी वी कैन लिस्ट ऑन द स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. ठीक है. एंड द लास्ट वन इज कोऑपरेटिव्स. ठीक है. कोऑपरेटिव्स में it is again not a company. It has been formed because of some regional collaboration. Okay, cooperative housing society बना दिया, cooperative bank बना दिया. Okay, some cooperatives will be formed. Just we are not company बनाने का ये नहीं है, facility नहीं था. So we are making a cooperative. Few years back it was very well understood or taken, but nowadays cooperatives have lessened up because making a company has become quite easy. Even if one person is there, he can make a company, and the advantages which by making a company which you have, there is more than making a cooperative. Okay, but in the not so urban background, mostly in the rural background, cooperatives are still preferred. ठीक है. तो ये हम लोग डिटेल में विल डू इट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास, एंड दिस इज द एंड ऑफ थर्ड मॉड्यूल आफ्टर वी कंप्लीट दिस. ठीक है. सो वेल दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू. एनीथिंग वांट टू आस्क? Okay then. Thank you.
सर कॉलेज
Thank
भी
you,
ऐसे
sir.
ही होगा क्या?
सॉरी क्या क्या?
कॉलेज भी ऐसे ही होगा क्या ऑनलाइन?
हाँ